Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Dayan Rubizo Butalid. I am 27 years old and I am single with live-in partner. I have two kids, a 7 years old son and 6 years old girl.
What is your education?
I am a high school graduate, sir.
Okay, how many brother and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
Okay, what is your number in your siblings?
I am the second of the siblings.
Okay, so tell me about your working experience as a domestic helper before.
I am a domestic helper before in the city of Doha, Qatar. I am a household worker and I am taking care of a newborn baby. In my first contract there in Qatar, I am taking care of a newborn baby until 2 years old. And then when I finished my contract, I went home. And then after a few months, my same employer, told me to come back and to take care again of another newborn baby.
So all in all, how many years you work in Qatar?
I have a 3 years working experience in Qatar.
Okay, only one employer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you know how to taking care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
So if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check first if the diaper is full or if there is poop. After changing the diaper, I will check if the baby has a fever or no. And if he still does not stop crying, I will tell my employer that the baby is crying.
Okay, so if ever the children or the baby is taking a bath, do you know how to do bathing?
Yes, I know.
What do you need to prepare?
I will prepare a lukewarm water, a towel, and the baby soap.
Okay, what do you need to taking care of during taking care of the baby?
I will make sure that I will not spill the water on the baby's eyes, ears, nose, and mouth.
Okay, very good. Do you know how to sing an our city song?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you sing now?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, thank you. So why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my children and I want also to continue building my house.
Okay, so when you work there in Hong Kong, who will take care of your kids?
I will let my mother take care of my kids or my live-in partner.
Okay, so how can you handle if ever you feel some homesick because you're working far with your kids or your family? So how can you handle it?
Before, when I was working in Qatar, what I did is I just focus on my work, and if I have free time or in my rest time, I will call them or do video call.
Okay, do you have any allergy?
No, sir.
So do you eat everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if ever the employer have a pets or either dogs or cats, are you willing to take care?
I am afraid of cats, sir, so I can't.
How,
Sure.
how about the dogs?
I can take care of a small dog, sir, but the big dogs I can't.
Okay, do you love cooking?
I can cook native food or Filipino food, sir, but I am willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
Okay, so if ever the employer have a car and you need to do the car washing and without any pay, are you willing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if ever there is an elderly person or assist you with elderly needs, are you willing?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any tattoo on your body?
No, sir.
And then if ever you want to go to Hong Kong, so can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am flexible at work. I can also take care of the baby. I can take good care of the baby, and I am disciplined also, and I like physical work.
Okay, and then can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir.